So your best friend is dating your crush. This usually happens because best friends usually have similar hobbies, similar personality, similar interests. So you might fall for the same guy because you guys have the same standards for a guy. Now there are two sides to this story. One, she did know and she still dates that guy. Two, she didn't know so she can't help. She can't help it because she didn't know you were crushing on that guy. If you're in a situation where your best friend did know that you liked him, then you need to show her that dating the guy that you told her you like comes with consequences. Like, you gotta tell her it's gonna hurt seeing guys make out all the time, seeing guys hug, seeing guys being all lovey-dovey, so I might take some distance. You gotta tell her that. You gotta tell her it's not really okay with you. Don't go all mad tantrum on her like, shut up, we're never gonna be best friends anymore, and like, don't go all crazy. Just speak to her from the heart. Tell her where the pain is. Just tell her calmly and let's just talk it out and just fix this relationship that's about to be broken before it's broken completely. Because friendship is more important than a guy you'd be bored with in a year most of the time. Because most of these viewers are still teenagers. So usually they're crushes and like in a year or so. Never really forever. So it's better to talk this out with your best friend instead of to lose her over a guy. So instead of just shutting her out, you can just tell her or show her that there are going to be consequences, like you're probably going to hang out a little more with your other friends because you can't stand seeing her with your crush. And you need to know this. Even though you told her you liked him, he's a person. You can't really call dibs on the person. You can't call dibs on the car seat. You can call dibs on that chocolate bar or whatever, but you can't call dibs on a person. He will make his own decision to. If he likes her, he will ask her out, and then she actually has the right to say yes because she likes him too, and then you like him too. So it's more like who he asks first out is allowed to go out with him, because you can't call dibs on a person. That's just not right. I know it hurts now, but you're gonna have to hold on and just try to take distance, but not too much distance. Like, don't let that friendship go. Remember, it's best to keep your friends close to you forever than a guy you'll be bored with in about a year or so. Just try to patch that relationship up again with your best friend and try to work it out. Don't just go and hate her because she's dating your crush. Just don't go and hate her and sense that that's stupid. Don't do that. Just try to fix this relationship and hold on, and we'll work out. Well, I hope it works out. Just don't forget to try fixing with your best friend and stay strong even if you see them every day. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna last forever. Like I said, you'll be bored in like a year or so and they'll probably break up. But try patching up with your best friend and don't go all avoiding her completely. Just like try to stay strong and focus on other things like your hobbies or food, because food usually helps. It helps me a lot. So hope this helped and good luck.